After narrowly escaping from the dungeon of Castle Kenderlief, Curian rejoins Gernot's army as they launch an all-out attack on the castle.
I am back, sire.
Ah, Curian, my boy. I feared for the worst. At least, I didn't think that old man would give up that easily.
Perhaps the next time your majesty will see fit to tell me his entire plan before I represent him to the enemy.
I will tell you what I see fit to tell you, and nothing more. Is that fully understood?
Majesty.
Now, let's not quarrel, Curian. Tell me what you know of Demetri.
Worry not, sire. He was slain by my blade.
What? Well done, Curian. Let's march to Castle Kenderlief. Attack!
What can I do for you? Just give me the job. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? I'll take care of it now.
More gold required.
I'd like to serve by the will of Amos.
I await you. I obey. I am here. I obey.
How may I serve you?
Yes, I am here.
What can I do for you?
Your wish is my command.
Here I come. I'll split their skulls!
Yes, come with me.
Yes, my
Have
child.
faith, what can I
my
do
child. Have faith, my child. It was foretold. Yes, my child. By the will
can I do
of
for you?
Amos.
What can I do for you? I'll take care of it now.
It was foretold. I'd like to serve. By the will
Let's
of
go.
What
Amos.
can I do for you? What is your wish? Just give me the job. What can I do for
Consider
you?
it done. Consider it done. Consider it done. Your wish is my
What can I
command.
do for you?
Consider it done. Your wish is my command. Consider it done.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Just. What can I do for you? 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 What can I do for you?
I'll do it. I'll
What
do it.
can I do
Come
for
with
you?
me. Leave it to me. Follow me.
Protect
We
the
are
land.
under attack.
Feel my
Let's go.
wrath.
Let's go.
What can I do for you?
Leave it to me. Follow me.
Here I come. Here I come. Fine. Taste my steel. I'll split their skulls. Feel my wrath.
Follow me.
Here I come.
I'll do it. Leave it to me. Follow me.
Here I come. Taste my steel. Feel my wrath. Fine. I'll split their skulls.
I'll do it.
What can I do for you? Just give me the job. What is your wish? Just give me the job. What can I do for you?
Here I come. Feel my wrath.
Our army is under attack.
I'll do it.
What is your wish? What can I do for you? If I only had a pickaxe, I'll take care of it now.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Yes.
Here I come. Protect the villagers. I'll split their skulls. Here I come. their skulls!
If I only had a pickaxe.
All right.
We are under attack.
If I only had a pickaxe.
All right. All right.
How may I serve you?
Let's go.
I await you. Yes.
What is your wish?
Protect the villagers.
Let's go.
How may I serve you?
Yes, consider it done. Consider it done. Yes, my lord. Attack! Consider it charge!
How may I serve you? Sure. I await you. I obey.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
We are under attack.
Here I come.
We are under
With
attack.
me.
Protect the villagers. Protect the villagers.
How may I
We are
serve
under
you?
attack.
I'll split their skulls!
I am here. I
If
obey.
I only had a pickaxe. What is your wish?
How may I
Consider
serve you?
it done. Yes, your wish is my command. Yes, charge! I am here. Consider
Yes,
it
by the
my
will
done.
of Amos.
How may I serve you?
Sure. I await you. I obey.
It was foretold. Reveal your will by the will of Amos.
Yes, my lord.
If I only had a
give me
pickaxe.
the job.
What is
I'll
your
take
wish?
care of it now.
Let's go.
All right.
I'll do it. Follow me.
All right.
Let's go.
If I only had a pickaxe.
Yes, consider it done. Consider it done. Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. Yes, consider it done.
If I only had a pickaxe. What is your wish?
Yes, my lord.
I'll do it. Let's go. Yes, leave it to me.
All right.
What can I do for you? What is your wish?
Yes.
If I only had a pickaxe.
Yes, your wish is my command. Your wish is my command.
I'm ready.
Consider it done. Consider it done. Consider it done. Consider it here. Done. Consider it done. Consider it done.
I'm ready.
Consider it done.
If just give me the job. Pickaxe. I'll take care of it now.
I'm ready.
Yes, my lord.
What can I do for you? What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What is your
I'm
wish?
ready.
Let's go!
Protect the village.
I'll do it! I'll do it! I'll handle it!
I'm ready.
What can I do for you?
I'm ready.
We can't build there.
Yes? What is it? Move,
I
move,
am
move!
here. Consider it done. Yes, my lord. Your wish
How
is
may I
my
serve you?
command.
Yes!
Here I come.
How may I
am
serve you?
here.
More gold required. More gold required.
How may I serve you?
What is your wish? Just give me the job.
How may I serve you?
Let's go!
All right.
What can I do for you?
I'll split their skulls.
Let's go with me! I'll do it!
By the will of Amos. It was foretold.
What is your wish? Just give me the
How may
job.
I serve you?
I'll do it! Yes!
All right.
What can I do for you?
Let's go! Come with me!
What can I do?
How
Give
may
me
I
the
serve
job.
you? I am here. Yes. Yes.
What can I do for you?
Sure.
Our army is under
If
attack.
just give me the job. Pickaxe. What can I do for you? Had a pickaxe. What is your wish? Just give me the job. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you?
We are under attack.
What is your wish? Give me the job. What can I do? Give me the job. What can I do for you? What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you?
I am here.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? do for you? What is your wish? It now. What can I do for
await you.
What can I do
Yes,
for you? If I only
I'll take care of
had
it
a
now.
pickaxe.
Yes, my lord. Your wish is my
What can I do
command.
for you?
What is it?
I am here.
How may I serve you?
I am here.
I'm ready.
Yes.
How may I serve you?
I am here.
What can I do for you? If
What
I
can I do?
I'll take care of it now.
Pickaxe.
What can I do? Just give me the job.
Let's go.
Yes, my lord.
I await you.
Yes, my lord.
What can I do for you?
Let's go.
Our army is under attack.
What can I do for
await
you?
you.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
We
What
are
can
under
I do?
attack.
Just give me the job.
Yes, my lord.
If I'll take care of it
We
now.
are under
A
attack.
pickaxe.
We are under attack.
I am here.
What is it?
Yes, my lord.
More mana required.
I await you.
What is it?
I am here.
I await you.
Charge!
Let's go. Leave
Yes,
it to
my
me.
lord. Consider it
I await you.
done.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Consider
We
it
are under attack.
I am here.
I'll do it. Leave it to me.
I am here.
Yes?
I am here.
How may I serve you?
I
How
am
may I
here.
serve you? Sure.
Yes, my lord.
Let's go. What is it?
Yes, my
I'm ready.
lord.
Trust my blade.
I am here. Your wish is my command.
I am here. I await you. I obey.
Yes, my lord.
Let's go. Come with me.
Let's go.
I am
I
here.
await you.
I am here.
How may I serve you? Arrows away!
I'll do it. Fight!
All right.
Our army is under
What is
I
attack.
am here.
More
I'll
mana
do it.
required.
Yes, my lord. I am here.
I'm ready.
We are under
I
attack.
am here.
More mana required. More mana required.
I'm ready.
I await you.
Yes, my lord.
Our army is under attack.
I am here.
I am here.
Our army is under attack.
Yes?
How may I serve you?
We
Yes?
are under attack.
Ah, here I go! I'm ready.
We are under attack.
Yes? Dice!
I am here.
We are under attack.
I am here. Charge!
How may I serve you?
I am here.
We are under attack.
What is it?
Follow me!
We are under attack.
I am here. Your wish is my command. I am here.
Our army is under attack.
Let's go!
I am here.
Yes?
Our army is under attack.
I'm here.
I am here.
More mana required.
I am here.
You know, you will pay for this.
It's over.
Where is William, the well son of Lord Kenderlief? He escaped with the remaining force to the west.
West. That's a cliche.
Now we give chase, sire.
No, we have no time. Let's return to Captain Philip. Our concern is the Dark Region.
Mission complete.